I am trying to encourage the clover in my yard. I know this is considered a poor choice by some, and of course I have various other weeds as well. I delayed mowing the flowers as long as possible this spring. However, so far there is really only one weed that has upset me, burweed. I sat down on my lawn and needless to say, I jumped up really fast. It's probably covering more than half of my yard. I'm trying to be as environmentally friendly as possible and want to encourage bees and wildlife, and I also have dogs that use the backyard.
Okay.
But I don't know how I'm going to enjoy my yard with these painful weeds. How do I eliminate burweed in my yard? Help, please. And this is Lindsay in Cordova, Tennessee. Can we help Lindsay? She needs some help.
She needs some help doing it.
She
can't do it. They got dogs in the yard, want to spray the weeds.
Right, she wants to be environmentally friendly.
Want to keep the clover in the yard. She want a lot of things going on.
And that's fine. The clover, you have bees.
Bees and stuff in there.
Burweed is tough. You know, it has the paisley looking leaves. It has the little spines on the leaves.
Yeah.
They're definitely sticky out there trying to sit in the grass or walk barefoot in the grass.
Yeah. And kids trying to play that too is hard.
Oh, it's tough.
Be hard.
So well, she is trying to encourage the clover, so I would encourage more of it and get it thick enough to actually crowd out the burweed.
Little nitrogen fertilizer for that clover helps some too. I always get nitrogen too in the soil,
right?
But it will help some too, and she'd add just a little more nitrogen to that.
Right,
thicken it up a little bit.
Yeah, thicken it up because it'll crowd out, that burweed over time. But that burweed will eventually burn out, over time. If you want to control it, I would control it, in the fall of the year as we go into the winter. Again, she wants to be environmentally friendly, so
chemical and stuff in there.
Really don't want her to use a chemical if that be the case, but yeah, you have to grow a thick stand of clover.
That clover, and that feeding with nitrogen fertilizer a lot of times, that helps some more nitrogen fertilizer than it already have.
Right, and that will help. And then here again, I know this is a chemical, but you can go with a pre-emerge. They also say pre-emergents out there that you can use. Okay, then. To help control that burweed. But again, she wants to be environmentally friendly. So let's just grow a thick stand of clover.
Good thing to in there and keep it tight.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.